my name is Nour Milhem. I'm a Palestinian graphic designer, creative artist. So I'm selling a few prints at the store and the notebook. One of the artworks that I created was a commissioned artwork for Ramadan. So that one was specifically for Ramadan, about the values around Ramadan and what it's about. So the creative process for that artwork specifically was just understanding what Ramadan is, what the values are. So I went back, I spoke to my parents, I spoke to people and really understood what Ramadan meant to them. And then I went back and I visualized that. So it's about community, it's about giving, it's about love, it's about sharing, it's about patience. Also tranquility. So if you look at the piece itself, it's quite peaceful and vibrant, of course, because I always love to just have a bunch of colors to just, exchange that good energy. One of the things that inspires my work is my mother. She's a creative herself. She's always been creative and she's always inspired us to create and be creative. So that's one thing. And the second thing is being Palestinian. Our culture is very, creative. We have beautiful handcraft and there's a lot of storytelling within the craft itself. So that's always inspired me with my work. Well, I hope it spreads positivity. I hope it brings them joy, and I hope it spreads, obviously, good energy. And second thing is I really hope that it inspires them to be creative and to tap into their childlike creativity. That's one of my main goals with creating my work, is to inspire people to create, because I truly believe everyone is creative. They just need that creative space and the free space and the safe space and the support to do that. So that's what I hope that they'll get from my work.